If you are receiving an error during your payment or if your billing information is being rejected at checkout, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix Etsy payment failed. First, make sure you are logged into your account at Etsy.com. If you keep getting an error message like there was an error processing the request, the first and most important step is to review your information. Double-check that your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address are all entered exactly as they appear on your bank statement. Even one small typo can cause a failure. If you are trying to pay with PayPal and it isn't working, keep in mind that Etsy usually cannot help with this. You'll need to contact PayPal support directly to see why the transaction is being blocked. However, if your information is definitely correct and the payment still won't go through, here is how to get official help. Scroll down to the very bottom of any Etsy page and click on the Help Center. From the menu, select Basket and Payment. Choose the specific issue you're having, such as trouble with checkout. If the troubleshooting articles don't solve it, scroll to the bottom of that help page and click Contact Support. From there, you can send a message to the Etsy team and they will be able to look into your account and guide you through the specific reason your payment is failing. That's how you fix Etsy payment failed.